Murree, a mountain resort city located in the Galiath region of Pir Panjal range within the Murree district of Punjab, is the most popular hill station which lies 30 km northeast of Islamabad, Pakistan. It is a mountainous area forming part of the outer Himalayas. This area contains four major supers that are gradually increasing. Murree city itself is situated at highest among them, and it is 7,500 feet high. Construction of the town was started in 1851 on the hill of Murree as a sanatorium for British troops. The permanent town of Murree was constructed in 1853 and the church was consecrated shortly thereafter. One main road was established, commonly referred to even in modern times as the Mall. Murree was the summer headquarters of the colonial Punjab government until 1876 when it was moved to Shimla. Since the independence of Pakistan in 1947, Murree has retained its position as a popular hill station, noted for its pleasant summer weather. Many tourists visit the town from the Islamabad-Rawalpindi area. The town also serves as a transit point for tourists visiting Azad Kashmir and Ahmedabad. The town itself consists a lot of tourist attractions. One of Murree's most well-known tourist destinations is Mall Road, which is a vibrant marketplace where many of-a-kind souvenirs, handcrafted cultural artifacts, and a variety of dry fruit, among other items, are sold. Located at Mall Road's highest point, the Journal Post Office (GPO) is a significant landmark in Murree. It is a central spot in the area and one of the top places to visit in Murree. Mall Road, Murree houses the headquarters of the 12th Infantry Division of the Pakistan Army, several education and training institutions, and a combined military hospital established to serve Murree and adjoining garrisons. Another major tourist attraction point at Murree is the Pindi Point. Since you can see the twin cities from the top of this viewpoint, it is known as Pindi Point. Pine trees and the stunning Murree Hills are also visible from here. Pindi Point is easily accessible from Mall Road in just 15 minutes. There are many restaurants and cafes in the area. The 1.5 km descent from Pindi Point to Basra Gully is also a fun alternative route for individuals who prefer chairlift rides. Because of the diverse range of activities and vivid views, it is also one of the best places to visit in Murree. Another most well-liked tourist attraction of Murree is the Kashmir Point. If you are coming from Mall Road, Kashmir Point can be reached in 15 minutes. You may get to Kashmir Point by driving there or by hiking. Right in the center of the Kashmir Point lies the Government House, which you can also visit. It is one of Murree's most well-liked tourist destinations. Murree Safari Railway is a train that travels through the Government House, entertaining both children and adults. The imported German train rumbles through the entirety of the Kashmir Point. It usually takes the safari train 20 minutes to complete its tour of the official mansion, where no other vehicles are permitted. In addition to the variety of activities available in Murree, there are many places worth visiting that showcase the city's extensive colonial past. For instance, there are many cemeteries in the region that were constructed before the division. Some examples in this regard include the Garrison Church Kharial, Lawrence College, St. Anne's High School, and Jesus and Mary Convent. The whole Murree Galiath region is known throughout South Asia for its scenic beauty and fascinating greenery. Mountains overhung with pines and oaks, bubbling with gurgling springs, crisscrossed by rivulets, dotted with spreaded lawns, overloaded with fruits, present spectacle of paradise on earth. Keeping in view all these details, we can conclude that Murree is the most easily accessible and the most liked hill resort of the country.